Trisha. I was just thinking about something and I spoke to a couple of friends about it. And they said to me, it's a fantastic idea and I should tell you what it is. So, what I thought about was when you buy a piece of furniture to put in your office or in your home, it comes with an instruction manual. And that instruction manual helps you to build your furniture correctly following specific instruction on how to build the furniture. And most people find it easy because the instructions are often easy to understand and to follow the step. Of course, there's always the people, and healthy debate can happen sometimes. Oh yeah, me, I don't need instruction. I know how to build my furniture. It's dead easy and everything. Those things happen on a regular. But there's also the people who think, no, that looks complicated, a bit difficult. Let me look at the instruction manual who come with my piece of furniture. And 10 times out of 10, after a couple of try and error sometime, or after some time, because no furniture is built in 1 minute. No. It takes time, and sometimes it even takes 2 days. And with some people, it can stay unfinished even. And they require somebody, another company, a furniture building company, to come and finish the furniture for them, depending on the difficulty. Well, it is the same about your sale in your business as per industry and your niche. There is a lot of business owner out there, and if I bench myself only in the UK, there is 80% of business owner in the UK who do not know how to sell to their right audience. And they promote themselves on the Never Never or on the off chance. Especially that we have social media nowadays, yeah? It makes it much more harder to segment your market and to access your niche and relate to your niche. So for years, we had to do through our instinct and still speak to people and hope that they understand and be interested in what we have to offer. That's how sales work. You need to speak to people. You can speak to them online or preferably offline. Come out of your office and give your flyer, your business card. Have a chat with people like we do at Girl Friday, and we tend to get sales this way. But we created your sale instruction manual, between quotes. We created your sale method. That's to help people who cannot, business owner who cannot achieve sale in their business and require a set of system to follow step by step and to apply to their business as they go. This is what Amable Sales Method offers you. Amable Sales Method is a how to execute better sales in your business. Just like your furniture building, the instruction manual help you build perfect furniture the way it's supposed to look. Well, same thing for Amable Sales Method. It helps you to achieve better sales per industry, per niche, and to relate to your audience. It also contains our biggest theory, the time metric, because it takes time to access the right audience for your business. It takes time to get them interested in what you have to offer, and it takes time for them to purchase your product or your services. And it takes time for them to put a review about your product or services. And the time metric is our biggest theory. Never been done neither, just like the sales method never been done, We are innovators, so we innovate the marketing industry in client acquisition. The sales method is for you to get client in your business. And the time metric is for you to get client in your business. And it takes time for those things for your customer to access your business. So, if you want to purchase your sales method, which come with its rule of sale, C equals C2 square, and its own sale manual, the core asset plus the seller, you can jump on La Boutique and get your Amable Sales Method for a cool £1.3 million today. You get it in a product form. On the board, 30 by 46, and your Amable Sales Method will be printed on the board with two cutout holes that you can place on your wall. This is how it will be delivered to you. For the sale manual, which is a related product, for the sale manual, which is a related product, you can purchase it on La Boutique. And the sale manual costs you only £72.99 if you purchase it on La Boutique. If you purchase it on Amazon, it costs you £77. Bye for now, Trisha.